Namaste everybody. Let's watch a video wherein I'll demonstrate how to use my customized GPTs on ChatGPT. These are my customized GPTs for teaching learning sessions on various topics in the field of pediatrics. So once you are on this ChatGPT user interface, click on more. When you click on more, you get these options. So go and click on GPTs. Once you click on GPTs, you will get this search user interface. In search, just type Vikkypaedia. So once you click this Wikipedia, you will get so you will get all these GPTs customized for pediatrics subject, and in pediatrics further customized to pediatric intensive care, neonatal intensive care, and various subspecialties in pediatrics. So currently general Wikipedia, NICU Wikipedia, specialty Wikipedia and PICU Wikipedia are available for general use. The other Wikipedia, as you can see, GPTs have been locked because they are still being trained. So currently you have free access to general Wikipedia, NIC Wikipedia, specialty Wikipedia, and then PIC Wikipedia. So in general Wikipedia, this particular GPT has been trained with all the textbooks that are recommended as reference textbooks by various organizations across the world. NIC Wikipedia, this has been trained with all the textbooks and also knowledge from up to date in neonatology, all the reference and recommended textbooks in the field of neonatology. Specialty Wikipedia, again, there are various subspecialty textbooks that are for references, for referencing, and for and also recommended by various subspecialty organizations. So all those textbooks are in this specialty Wikipedia. And then in PICU Wikipedia, all the pediatric critical care and intensive care textbooks and also knowledge from up to date has been trained in this GPT. So we'll just try to see one demonstration. We'll go to PICU Wikipedia. So you click on PICU Wikipedia, you will get this user interface. As you can see, you have a start button here. Click on start chat. Once you click on start chat, it will take you to the chatbot. You already have certain customized prompts here for you to start using directly. So you have customized prompts like you give a topic and it will create information for PowerPoint presentation on the topic. And if you want to have some specific subspecialty topic, you can type it there. If you want to develop a specific scenario on a topic, it can help you. And any direct question for you to understand the pathophysiology of certain mechanism, it can help you. Okay, so you click on start chat, it should start. So you will get this. We will try to develop a PowerPoint information on a particular topic. So click on that. As you can see, it will help you create evidence-based PowerPoint on a topic that you're going to type with the NMC CBME aligned specific learning objectives with inline citations from textbooks that are in its knowledge base with complete bibliography and including learning objectives. So what we'll do is we'll just try to type pediatric neuroblastoma. Very simple prompt. And once you type and send this topic, it will take some time and then come back to you with important intensive care related or critical care related information on this particular topic. Try it out and let me know how you felt.